Hey folks, how y'all doing? It's Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the, I was like barking at you. We're going to take up the FMS Ranger 1.8 meter, 1800 millimeter Cessna 150. And this is a beautiful plane. She's 4-cell only. Big 4-cell, like I'm running a 4000 4S Spectrum Smart Pack in her right now. She has landing lights, navigation lights, the red and the green on the appropriate wing, and she's got a nice big landing light in the very front right underneath that prop. I'll bring her by here where you can see it. Should be able to see it now. Good looking plane. Good looking plane. Do so enjoy flying this plane. Gonna bring her in this time. Haven't flown in a while though. So for that reason, I'm just probably gonna be doing landings and takeoffs, which is what you want to do in the plane you haven't flown in a little while. Touch and goes. And landing from the other direction is good. Not using the flaps right now. Well, I'm better. I'm in awfully hot. That's okay. Made for a nice touch and go. A little bit of a snap roll there. She'll slow right down. You put them flaps down, tell you what, she'll slow right down for you. Right on down. All right, let's do a nice grass landing here so I can show you how capable she is on the grass. Slow right down on that grass. Let's do some takeoff flaps and let's get up off that grass. Just show you how capable she is. Very, very, very stable. And the receiver, she comes in a plug and play only version. Okay. And they may be offering her with that new reflex system that Verizon or FMS has. I don't know. But other than that, she's a plug and play, and that reflex system is not a receiver. It is just a built-in gyro that gives you stability in the wind, self-leveling if you turn it on. Very similar to the Spectrum's AS3X and safe technology. So anyways, but this is just a great, and she's big enough to where you can really see her good. You want to flare on the mains. Well, didn't really flare as much as I wanted to. What you want to do though is you want to flare on them mains. Let the mains hit, which are your back gear. Let them kind of touch down, and then let your nose settle down. That's the perfect way to land a tricycle gear airplane, which is what this is. Might be a little bit easier to pull off this time with no flat landing. There we go. Get her turned around here. See, now if I had had flaps on, I wouldn't have gone, my landing would have been much shorter. Now, that was the takeoff flaps, and I didn't use my elevator. The takeoff flaps did exactly what they're supposed to do. Gave you just enough lift. Gave you just enough lift. Now we're doing that same approach with takeoff or landing flaps. And I didn't flare enough. But as you can see, I had a much better landing this time. I'll do that again, but we're going to get a better landing out of it. I'm running an AR620 antennaless receiver in her, just so you know. Perfect. Perfect. Great landing. Oh, bugs are starting to come out. Got a minute and 21 seconds. Oh man, love this plane. Love this plane. Yeah, them lights, you can really see them now. Can really see them. There you go. Well folks, that is the 1.8 meter FMS Ranger. She's got flaps, she's got landing lights, and she's got all kinds of attitude. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. All right, let's go ahead and taxi on back. Great ground handling, but that's normal with a tricycle gear. All right folks, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and see you later.